Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove pop-up window when hovering over programs, folders or files icon in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and after that you just need to select the H key current user and after that select edit tab and select find option and check mark all of these and paste in here find what and after that select find next. Now you just need to double click on the show info tip, double click on it, set this value to 0 and click on OK to save changes and just close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the desktop and select refresh and now you won't be able to see that pop-up window appears guys, as you can see, and that's how you can remove pop-up window when hovering over programs, files, folders icon in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.